aji yaama baykat la baykat bi dama juddu nampu mbey dama ko nampu dama juddu nampu mbey samay waajur yëpp ay baadoolo leen mbay laa fekk ma sëy continuer ci mbay
आसपास का किसान हमारा सागे बनिया जैविक खेती करवा में अकेला रहना हमारे लोग सब सीखरी और देखा क्यों थोड़ा बहुत पहली बार पर थोड़े सुधार हो
Aquí en Guatemala lo que es muy tradicional es que las familias teniendo el maíz, ¿verdad? Ya se sienten fortalecidas, pues, porque hay familias que teniendo el maíz y el frijol, decimos, pero que a veces lo tienen, sino con la tortilla y el agua y la sal y únicamente.
There are more than 500 million family farms throughout the developed and developing world. It's the predominant form of agricultural production. This year, we at the United Nations are joining together with governments, international development agencies and farmers' organisations to highlight their part in boosting local and regional economies and making agriculture more sustainable. We're celebrating the contributions they make to agricultural output, the impact they have on rural development, and the role they play in preserving and using our planet's biodiversity.
O Ano Internacional da Agricultura Familiar, que será celebrado em 2014, oferece uma oportunidade de ouro para mostrar ao mundo como esse setor contribui e pode contribuir ainda mais para a segurança alimentar, para a adoção de dietas nutritivas e saudáveis e para a sustentabilidade da produção de alimentos.
So just why is family farming so important? Family and small-scale farming are inextricably linked to world food security. Beyond producing most of the food sold at local markets every day, family farming preserves traditional food products and contributes to a balanced diet. All this while promoting the sustainable use of natural resources and safeguarding the world's agro-biodiversity. Family farming offers the chance to boost local economies. When combined with specific policies, it protects the well-being of communities. Yet most of the 70% of food-insecure people around the world are from small farms in rural areas of Africa, Asia, Latin America and the Near East. FAO's awareness campaign seeks to buck that trend and deliver change at a local and international level.
If we're serious about fighting hunger, we need to promote family farming as a way of production and also, as family farmers are going to tell you, as a way of life. It's much more than a way of agricultural production.
Communities need access to land and secure land rights. They also require the right technologies, specialised education and finance. Help us help them realise their potential.
At the end of the year, what we would like to see is the set of policies that are necessary for governments to implement in order to support family farms for the future.
That's because...
Porque quando nós falamos de fome, o único número que podemos aceitar é 0. A agricultura familiar tem papel essencial nessa luta.
So join us in celebrating the International Year of Family Farming 2014. Help us feed the world and care for the earth. Because with the right agricultural and social policies, family farming can make a real difference to end poverty and hunger.